Good afternoon to all of you. Namaskar to all of you. This is Ranjan from smartfinance.com. And this video is regarding one comparative analysis of crypto option strategy and Nifty option strategy. This option strategy I will compare and I will show you what is the risk involved and what is the reward potentiality. Everything I will show you in this video. So before I start the explanation on this particular option strategy, let me say you that Smart Finance also published the Smart Crypto Analysis software, wherein all our studies, GAN studies, volatility studies are being programmed for crypto. So same studies will work here. So you can initiate the position intraday or positional based on your requirement. So the same study will be GAN hexagon, GAN angle volatility, everything we have programmed. This particular software we are giving in the cryptosmartanalysis.com, our new website. From there you can able to procure. Initially the price is being fixed as 2750, but it is a pre-launch price. So after the month of January, its price will be revised to 4,500 per year. If you wish to purchase, just WhatsApp your name and email address to this number. We will send you the payment gateway, so you can purchase immediately. It will get activated. So this is on the crypto software. However, this is a domain which has lot of potential and skills required, and you can make very good money in this. So I'll show you specific things here. So say I am going to take the analysis of one strategy called covered call strategy. Many of you will be knowing that. You have number of strategies. You have saddle, strangle, guard, corner, many things. I am taking the comparison of one very simple strategy called covered call strategy. So covered call strategy, normally we buy the future and immediately one at the money option we sell, call option we sell if we are buying the future. And if you are selling the future, we sell a at the money put option. Our profit is limited to the premium or the theta we have received by selling the call and put option. Loss will be unlimited because below there is nothing we have hedged. So I'll show you one example of Nifty. So if I am going for 27th February expiry Nifty future, buying one lot, when I am drafting it, that time Nifty was 23,455. I am buying one future, selling 23,500 call option 27 February expiry at 464. So when Nifty was quoting at 23,455, this call option was 464. So through this sales process, I have received 34,800 rupees. And by the buying process, my total buying value was 17,15,125 rupees. For this trade, I have paid 2,43,000 rupees as a margin. Brokerage and taxes for only these two trades, near to 650 rupees. For you may be different, depend upon your broker. So total investment initially 2,43,650. After I initiate this trade, if the Nifty maintains above 23,455 till 27th of February, I am saying till 27th of February, it has never fallen below my buying entry, or it maintain above that, then this theta again, this 464 will become 0. So my maximum profit I can enjoy here is 38,175. Means 464 I got it, and from 455 to 500 there is another, you can say 45 rupees gap is there. So if you add together and multiply it with 75, it will come 38,175 rupees we can gain. So less expenses. So 1,300 I am just deducting. It is coming 36,875 rupees I will gain. Provided, again I repeat, after I made the purchase, Nifty never fall below my buying entry price, and end of February it has closed above 23,500 or at 23,500. If this happens, my profit will be 36,875. Risk how much? I have taken 17 lakhs 15,125 rupees risk. If I factor the 30% tax here, post tax, my earning will be 25,812, and my risk, if I just reduce that 464, my risk is coming to 17 lakhs 24,325 risk. This is one example. You can form all examples accordingly based on the strategy you are choosing. If you take options, accordingly you can choose. If you take futures, accordingly you can choose. So this is how we analyze the risk and reward. So if Nifty, you can say after I initiate it is falling to 20,000. What will happen? I got 464. Another things is my loss. So my risk is on 17 lakhs 24,325. This is what my actual risk is. So risk you can further manage and all, that is up to you. But this is the actual risk for this particular strategy. The earning potentiality 25,812. You can't earn more than 1 rupee out of this, or you cannot earn 1 rupee more from more than 25,812, or less than also not there. This is your this much is maximum this strategy can give. Coming back to my other strategy comparison with Ethereum. So Ethereum is trading at 3,300 USD. In money terms, it is 2,83,800 rupees. If I form the similar strategy, 3,300 strike of 28th February expiry, I sell at 305 USD. Then I receive in Indian terms 26 through 30 rupees. So this is not the fake price, this is the real price. You can see here 269. Now you can say we are going for 28 February, and I am going for 28 February, Ethereum, 28 February, 3,300, 3,000, 28 February, Ethereum. So here we are going for 3,000. Now Ethereum also has changed its price. So you can say here puts, here calls. When I was making these things, it was trading at 305, 300 something. Now currently it is coming to 258, $268. Our Ethereum future also would have changed. So if I just go to the future part and see here Ethereum is trading at 3386, and its options, if I go for 28th February 2025 and Ethereum options, it is currently at 260. You can take 260 also, 260 USDT. So this is what we are, you can say 3,300 call option is trading at this price, and you can, sorry, it is put option, right side put option, left side is call option. So 3,300 is quoting at 384 rupees. I just focused on the right side, so it was put option. Fine. So you have seen this is the correct price is there. Now do a comparative analysis. Now from this particular trade, how much margin we require? Here margin will be taken separately for future, separately for option. So total margin required is 328 and 163 USD. Expenses 10 USD for opening and closing. There is another cost involved. That is funding cost. If I am retaining the position till 28th of February, it will be $30. So total investment in this trade will be $531, which comes to 46,000. 45,666, 46. Per dollar, I am taking 86 rupees. So here 2,43,000, here 45,000. You add another 20,000, another 30,000 also you keep as a safety, or half of this amount also keep as a safety. No problem at all. Maximum profit, how much you will get? 305 USDT. because I have taken this thing 305 USDT, less expenses 265, taxes 79, your gain will be, here also taxes 30%, so your gain will be 185 USD, so it comes to 15,950. But here you can see your risk is 2.5758 lakhs and potentiality to earn is 16K. Here you are taking 17 lakhs risk, potentiality to earn is 25K. Which is the wisest thing? You decide. If I do not take bigger risk of 17 lakhs, I'll just take a risk of 2.5 lakhs and earn this much. If you just double here, if you make it as a 5 lakhs risk, your earning is 32. Here 12 lakh risk is reducing and earning also is more. That is, risk means risk is reducing in these terms. Second part is, what is the drawbacks in this? Since it is a crypto domain, Nifty to think to fall 23,000 to 0, it is looking like impractical. But this 3,000 can come down to 0 also. That kind of risk the crypto domain has. This can come down to 0. But here 23 cannot come down to 0. Corona time, hardly we had some 50% of retracement. It is non-regulated. Second, it has many hidden costs which need to be understood and many strategies need to understand, because the way you form a strategy in the index or anything, same way you cannot form here. It is highly volatile. Huge volatility is there. So you require some amount of handholding, some amount of training, some amount of your, you can say, learning. So you need to learn, understand, then only it is possible. So benefit, lesser risk, profit is not compromised. Benefit, world market, 24-hour market. Benefit, it is internationally tradable instrument. These are the benefits. Second, taxation is same. Benefit. However, that also has a other side. It is non-regulated. We are into regulated. What we are taking a huge amount of risk for 25K. So here it is non-regulated, but lesser risk, it rewards more. Need study. So that is, to earn something big, you need to prepare yourself. It is highly volatility. So you need to know or learn how to handle this high volatility. These are the things is required. Smart Finance is learning one batch of this crypto futures and options training program started in February. It is going to start on February 1st, but enrollment is already closed. So 15 people enrolled for that program. We are going to open the new batch for the March 1st. March 1st, 25 people will be enrolled. So let us have a look at the fee structure. Then you think about the facilities what you will get. It is 4,500 rupees per month. If you want to go for a payment frequency monthly. If you want for quarterly, it will be 12,000. If you want for yearly, it will be paid. Payment frequency will be half yearly or yearly. It will cost you 21,000 for 6 months. So these are the fee structures, and this program is for 1 year. You cannot enroll more than 1 year. After 1 year, we will be giving the newcomers will get a things if the program continues. So if you look at this particular fee is looking slightly higher to you, you have a chance to reduce this particular fee also. How? Because there is only one exchange which gives this futures and option facility, Delta Exchange. They have a specific features here. They have a specific features for referral earning. Means once we refer, you open the account, then what happened? that time we get some earning from them. So that earning, your brokerage, one part of earning, it comes to our pocket. So that earning, if you use our referral link, which I have given in the description box, so from there you can, whatever you know how much brokerage you have paid, that statement you can download. Out of that, some 10% they are sharing with us. So that 10% you can offset it. Suppose you have net, we have earned 170 USD from that. So in money terms, whatever comes, that you can adjust with your fee. That only you can get. So it is for all financial part, I told you clear what is the financials involved in this particular program. So I have just now shown you that we have a software, this particular software, which is after pre-launch, after 31st of January, its price is going to be 4,500 per year. So during your enrollment period, if you enroll for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, during your enrollment period, this software will be given to you as a free. We will help you to set up your account in these brokers, because this requires some difficulties are there, means we can help you in that. Third, to set up, execute, adjust and exit crypto option strategy, that also will help you. So you will be getting given a time frame every day, 3 to 5 times will be there. So this kind of, like you have seen one strategy, similar type of strategy based on your risk profiling, you can initiate. What are the adjustment is required, we will recommend. When to set, how to set up, we will help you. How to execute, we will help you. At the end, when you exit also, that will help you. Once 1 or 2 strategy you practice, then you will be execution part, you will be master, you can do that. So software we are giving, so to access, so it has intraday positional analysis, you can use that also. This is most important, we will be sending you some pair trade, because in crypto domain, doing pair trade is not a simple job. Because every coin is an industry, is an independent industry. There is no sector here. So here, these things to set up, execute multi-chain pair will also help you. And time to time, during this period of 1 year, some webinars will happen on this subject. So you will be exclusively invited for that. You will be joining that to understand this concept. So this is what the program will be. Minimum capital you require 1000 USD to 1500 USD. So with this you can do a comfortable earning. But it is not a guaranteed program, warranted program, or any kind of liabilities we do not have. So here we'll just train you in a live environment for a period of 1 year, so that you should be sufficient enough, or you'll be self-sufficient enough to use this strategy in your trade practice. So if you want, having any interest to enroll for this, just message me 9841736980980 and pay some token amount and book your seat. Only 25 seats will be there, and before the program you pay the remaining and enroll for the program. And 15 registrations for the last batch was got over within 1 hour, and this 25 I am just going for a public video I am releasing. Yesterday I conducted a program, I released, today I released. So definitely within few days it will get over. So if you have any interest, book your seat and reserve your seat for the March batch. So I am not going to increase that count, because your support needs will be more. Sometimes we need to hang with you over the phone to help you on that trades and all. So for that, lesser number of people will be taken. Sometimes we have to hang with you on the phone also. So that is the major difficulty. So here we cannot take hundreds of people and make a tamasha out of that. I want a small group of the people should be trained, educated to handle these things. If you have interest, just message me and call me in this number for any details. I will explain it. And if you are using the referral code, that also you share with me. Referral code I have given in the description. And once you are opening the account and other things, you are earning also, you can adjust with your fee, yearly fee, and that will be a great saving for you. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time, but utilize this opportunity and diversify to a different market and be a professional. Thank you very much. Thank you for your